I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken stock with rotisserie chicken. First, ensure you have a large pot and basic vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions. Begin by carefully removing all the meat from your rotisserie chicken carcass. This meat can be saved for other dishes. Then, break the remaining bones and skin into smaller, manageable pieces to maximize flavor extraction. Now place the chicken carcass pieces into your large pot. Add roughly 1 onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks, all roughly chopped. Cover everything with about 12 cups of cold water. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook uncovered for at least 2 hours or up to 4 hours for the best flavor. Once your stock has simmered sufficiently, carefully remove the pot from the heat. Place a fine mesh sieve over another large bowl or container. Slowly pour the entire contents of the pot through the sieve, allowing the liquid to collect below. Discard all the cooked solids, including the bones and vegetables. Let the strained stock cool completely to room temperature before proceeding. After the stock has cooled, transfer it to airtight containers. You can refrigerate the stock for up to 4 days, or freeze it for several months for longer storage. If freezing, consider using smaller portions for convenience. This homemade chicken stock is perfect for enhancing the flavor of your favorite soups, stews, sauces, and gravies. Enjoy your delicious, homemade stock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.